Well, I have no makeup on either.
Well, I'm glad. Hey, can I see your camera?
This is on video.
It's on video! Can I see your camera?
No.
And
No.
on YouTube, right?
Yep.
No.
Hey, get her email address and you can send her a link to the video. We can upload it when we get home.
You guys don't have YouTube, do you?
Yeah.
Everyone has YouTube. What are you talking about?
You'll put it on YouTube?
Good, yeah.
I don't have a
What are you
YouTube.
talking about? I don't have a YouTube. How do you not have a
You have a
YouTube?
Google, a Gmail account.
You what?
I said all you gotta have is a Gmail account.
I have one. But
Then you have YouTube
Go
and
to YouTube
YouTube.
and hit upload and then save the file.
Well,
You go to YouTube, click login, like do you have a Gmail account? You click yes, and then you log in your Gmail account, it logs you into
Use
YouTube.
your icon.
You're automatically
I
logged
don't
in.
have a Gmail. Well, I have one, but I don't know what my Gmail is.
Google owns YouTube, so if you have one, you have the other.
Did you get that?
Yep.
You don't have Flash on anymore?
It's on video still.
Oh! Man. Oh no. You don't want a video of me.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get my dad to put it on YouTube.
Well, you gotta tell her at some point you can find it.
I gotta use your camera so I can take a video of you guys.
No.
So it's like a family vacation, not a stranger on a train.
You got two people video cameras.
I feel like a movie star. I should just embrace this.
Dad, if you want to see, we've uploaded one.
Go
Can
Navy.
you fly, baby Al? That American Family AFB has bought it from display during the finale this year.
Can you what?
Move it.
So we have one on YouTube. American Family, funniest videos all played during the finale.
Really?
Yeah,
You
it's
guys
called.
do?
Yeah, we do. It's called Can You Fly, Baby Al? Well, it's not on YouTube. I've got to say it.
Well, I'll look it up. I'll Google it. Can you fly, baby?
Well, that's disabled now. I had to set it to private when they bought it, but it'll be on the show. So
That's cool.
yeah, and it's only like 22 seconds long.
So are you guys going to the show then? With it?
Well, if they don't play it in the finale as one of the shorts, it'll be in the competition for next year.
Oh.
So, but we had a nest of baby owls born in the
I can't even see your face.
So when we took them out, then we had to, when they were trying to learn to fly, we'd have to pick them up and put them back into their nest. And one of them, it's like, when he was on the ground, we put him on a stump, and it's like, he would look at you and he'd go like this. So I started asking, can you fly?
Oh, that's so cute.
So watch the finale this year, and if it's on there, you'll know.
Are you kidding me? What day is it normally
I
on?
think it's in April.
April? Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna look for it because I never watch it, but I will watch
Okay.
that, and I will think of you guys.
All right.
I'll be like, great, my video's all I need
He's
to.
like, I know these guys.
Well, I won't be watching it. Yeah. I won't have access.
I was not watching.